Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very tutorial on how to reinstall keyboard driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on device manager. The moment you have successfully bring up this device manager window, directly proceed at the option called keyboards. And once you have find it, click this forward arrow and you would be able to see your keyboard driver. So please make a right click and go with update driver. So there are two ways on how to reinstall your keyboard driver. And the first is to search automatically for drivers and browse my computer for drivers manually. So proceed on the first. Okay, and in this way you would be able to reinstall your keyboard driver automatically. Now click on this backward arrow and you can also reinstall your keyboard driver manually by clicking on the second option, which is let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. All you need to do is you need to select on the model under here in the box and go with next, and it will be installed here, meaning you will be able to reinstall it in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, another method that you can do is you need to navigate the same process, and that is to make a right click here at the start icon, click on the option called Device Manager. Once you have bring up this kind of window, which is a device manager, directly proceed again with the option called keyboards. Click this forward arrow, select your keyboard driver, make a right click and go with uninstall device and go with uninstall. The moment you will uninstall that, you just have to restart your computer, and once you have restarted it, it will be automatically installed again in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So that's it. Those are the three simple ways on how to reinstall your keyboard driver. If those steps help you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.